Well, it's a real story. Once there was a child suffering from asthma, very weak and in bed rest for weeks after weeks. Seeing him like this, one day his father came to him and said, "Son, I know you do not have strength in your body, but you have your mind. If I'm going to give you the tool to build your body, will you be able to do it with the strength of your mind?" The boy, looking at his father's eyes, said, "Yes, I'll make my body." His father built a gym for him at his house. He continuously practiced there every day. He slowly built his muscles and he did it for the next 5 years. And after that, he didn't even build a strong body, but he also won the battle against his asthma. Later, he embarked on a journey that becomes a history itself. But in that journey, he saw many ups and downs. He lost his mother and wife, faced many political turmoil, but he survived it all. And you know what made him survive this? Because he was prepared for it. He already went through a strenuous life when everything was there for him. Through his practices in gym, that thing made him very strong mentally, that he defeated every obstacle he faced in near future. That person is Theodore Roosevelt, the 26th president of USA. So reflect on yourself right now. Are you prepared for the obstacles you will face in life? Life can be very unpredictable and can throw many challenges on you anytime. And that's why the preparation is necessary. In the books of Stoic mindset, it is termed as Inner Citadel, which is like building a fortress inside you. Become mentally so strong that during the time of adversity, you will not break. And you can do it when you are having good times. Just like the ants, when the weather is fine in summertime, they collect foods and stock them at their place, so that when winter comes, can remain inside in the comfort of their home, enjoying as much food as they can. Just like Roosevelt. When he had everything, he made a habit to build his body, strengthen his mind. And that doesn't mean that you also need to go to the gym to build your own inner citadel. You can also do it by practicing Stoic mindset, practicing spirituality, or doing meditation. In the period when everything is going fine, you will build your inner fortress, so that in the time of adversity, when everyone will start to accept their defeat, you will be able to stand strong. I read this in the book of Ryan Holiday, The Obstacle is the Way, and thought to share it with you. Hope it will help you somehow. So that's it for today. Thumbs up to the short video if you find it helpful, and I'll meet you in the next.